team. And this is the battle between the Samsung versus Vivo. Ayan, mawala si Idol Lawrence Pingola. Shoutout sa'yo. Kung nanonood ka na ating live. Ayan, team niya ang Samsung. Let's go. Jump ball, first ball, number 38. First basket mula sa Samsung. With an easy 2 points. Number 31. That's number 7. Ayan na, all the way, too strong. Rebound ng Vivo. Pass number 7. Floater, Alondoni, wala. Rebound. Basket is good. First basket para sa Vivo. Tabla tayo sa dalawa. Gets the 3. Wala. Wala pa rin. Oopsie. Kick ball. Samsung ba? Uy! Traveling violation. Kitang-kita yun ng ating mga official. Vivo basketball. Uy! Nagkakapisikalan na po dito sa ating first period. Palamang. It's a foul for us. Samsung. Vivo basketball. Alondoni. Cross-court pass. Gets the shot. No good. Rebound dito ng Samsung. Yes, in and out. Kick out. Number 7, 4-3. Wala. Oh, there's a foul. Number 31. Pass number 7, Alondoni. With an easy basket. Out that pass. That's a traveling violation. Oh, there's a foul. Out of bounds. Samsung basketball. Basket for Samsung. Tabla tayo sa 4. Basket by Paulide. Umati ka na mag-backcourt. Top of the key for 3. Short. What a save. Good. Walas. Out of bounds. Samsung basketball. Ooh, that's a trouble. Tuting nakagawan. Still. Kasi doon. Ay na. Uy, wala. traveling. Alandoli out the pass. Uy. Time out. Correction. Official substitution. Palak using the board and score. Block from the corner, 4-3, no good. No good. Rebound by number 7, pass number 16. Whoa, nice move. By Mark Lupid. Wala. That's a foul. Foul number 7. Number 38 shooting for 2. First shot is good. No good. Another rebound for Samsung. Basket. Down by 1. Oh, change favor. Lamang ng Samsung. Patrick Abe using the board from former UE. That's Patrick Abe. Tarog. Palak. Oh, steal. Oh, what a nice layup for Bibo. Wala. Rebound ng Bibo. 4 against 2. What a nice 3. Patrick Abe. Basket count and 1. By jersey number 3. Patrick Abe shooting for one shot or for a 3-point play. Wala. Ay na ang Samsung. Wala. Uy, nice pass. Oh, what a nice pass. Ay, Patrick Abe. Pang-highlights na dito ang Vivo. Gets the rebound, bawi. Wala. Palak with a putback. By jersey number 7, if not mistaken. 16-11. Uy, what a pass. Number 19, block by Palak. Uy, what a nice layup. Number 16, crossover, running shot, wala. Step back 3, short. Last 32 seconds. Ayun na si Patrick Abe. pass number 19. Nice fake. And there's a foul by Palak. By Mark Tupin. Last 22 seconds. Mark Tupin. Wala. Last 22 seconds. Basket. 17, 13. Ayan na, sa kabila. Uy! Number 19, miss. Rebound by Palak. Tarog, 4-3. Oh my goodness! Robert Tarog with a buzzer beater. Grabe. What a buzzer beater. End of the first period. Mainit agad ang ating panimula. 16-17 in favor of the Vivo. Babase sa ang kalamangan ng mga naka-blue. Robert Tarog. Shoutout sa ating commentator. Grabe, wala akong masabi sa ating commentator. Gising na gising ang ating Vivo. Nakitaan agad tayo ni Robert Tarog with a buzzer beater. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Short. Patrick Abe, didiskarte. Oy. Russell for Samsung. Nice pass, number 30. Wala. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Palak. Ayan naman si Robert. 3 against 1. Uy, kitang-kita yun. Hit Mark Tupin. Samsung basketball. Number 90. 4-3. Bah! Robert Tarog is on fire. What a back-to-back 3-point for Robert Tarog. Ayun na, number 7. Bumawi ba? Wala. Rebound by Palak. Change favor na. Lamang na ang Samsung. Up and under. Uy! That's a trouble. What a pass! Tabla na tayo sa 19. Nakahabol dito ang Vivo. Robert Tarog, 4-3, wala. At this time, wala na yung tira doon. Robert pinasa gilid. Crossover. Ooh, that's a trouble. Seven minutes and 15 seconds. Up and under, miss. Mark. Oh, out of bounds. Ayun na ang Samsung. Nasa corner. Messi drive. Pull up. Wala. Ayun na ang Vivo. Pass Patrick. Abe, fake. Wala. Malandoni to number 31. Fake. Oh, steal. Basket. Balik ang Kalamangan sa Samsung. 19-21. Patrick Abe. Steal ng Samsung. Catch the three. Uy, balti ka na. Oy, out of bounds. Same ball. Time out. Vivo Fisher score 21-19 in favor of the Samsung. Shoutout sa ating commentator. Buhay na buhay ang ating last game din. And congratulations po pala sa ating winning team. At nakabawi ang Xiaomi sa DJI. Ayan. Still on top pa rin dito ang Xiaomi sa ating season number 19. Wala. Rebound by Palak. Outlet pass. Oh, block by number 19. Hindi daw pwede yan sa bahay ng Vivo. Uy! Stepping on the line. Good defense pa rin yun. Para sa Vivo. Out of bounds. Vivo basketball. Samsung basketball. Bad pass. Official timeout or substitution. Mandatory substitution. Pito lang umampo. Ayan, match na match to. Pito, laban sa pito. Ay, hindi. 8 laban sa 6. Patrick Abe with the ball. Abe. Pass to number 16 for 3, no good. Rebound by Palak. Number 19, basket. Well, a nice shot by Robert Arug. Out of bounds. Pass number 15, short, rebound by Palak. Palak nagmamadali. Palak umatake. Wala, another rebound. Palak with a putback. Get their own miss. 25-19. Uy. Good defense para sa Samsung. Ayun na, nagmamadali. Umatake para basket for Samsung. Out of bound. Ayun na, 27-19. Lumalaki na po ang Kalamangan ng Samsung. Alandoni. Oh, what a nice shot. Hindi nababantayan shooters ang mga shooter ng Vivo. Babasaan ni mga kalamangan ng Samsung. Hesi, Palak, pass number 7. Number 7 umatake, gets the basket by number 7. Balik ulit sa 8. Patrick Abe. Hesi gets the foul. Who's foul rep? On the free throw area, jersey number 3. That's that's Patrick Abe. First shot is good. Second shot for Robert. That's a Patrick Abe. No good. Cross-court pass. And a drive basket. Number 16 with a layup, gets the contact. Foul number 9, Palak. On the free throw area for Vivo, jersey number 16. No good. Tanggol. Basket. 23-31. Lamang pa rin po dito ang Samsung. Really? Umatake, kick out. Robert Taruk, 4-3, wala. Rebound. Number 19, short. Out of bounds. Same ball pa rin tayo. 4-3, in and out, rebound, Palak with a putback. Delaying the game. Last 39 seconds. Patrick Abe. Oy, gets a foul, number 7. Paulite. Gets a foul, hand check. That's Delara. Jump shot, miss. 3, 2, 1, tira. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first period, first official score, 33-23. At babalik po tayo para sa ating third quarter. Muli, maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng ating bumubuo ng ating liga, especially kay Ma'am Ivy Yeng, Sir Jasper Yeng, at shoutout po sa ating ECI group, Mancom, together with our maraming salamat kay Sir Ronald Chan, Alma Buentipo, Aubrey Estelier, Hani Carian, Cheryl Corato, Audrey Ang, Nes Garoy, Patricia Dolot, Yovel Sagigit, and kay Miss Hannah Kalimon. And maraming pong salamat sa mga sa inyong pagpapagal at pagmamahal sa ating liga. And we'd like to thank Shemi Incorporation, The One Drone Incorporation, and sa ating sponsor, ayan, nandiyan ang Orange, One Orange Telecommunication Trading Incorporation, kay AMMSI Achievers Manpower Management Service Incorporation, andyan ang XMB Pills Corporation, and kay Gizmo Central. Ayan, Maraming salamat dito sa One Team. We innovate, we evolve, smarter, bolder, and stronger. Alright, second half tayo magbabalik para sa ating third quarter.